Starting around 12 October 2023, Ethereum explicitly is exchanging at $1,548.77 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in truly most recent 60 minutes. ETH by and large has a genuinely all-out market cap of $186,244,703,049, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,021,938,533, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This in a real sense makes Ethereum, ETH, especially positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which explicitly is very critical. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? Is Ethereum a very wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very huge? Will ETH cost fundamentally outperform its untouched high, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking? These explicitly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH value sort of is supposed to, for the most part, cross an essentially normal value level of $2,139.84. The normal really least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to, especially be $2,048.41. Besides, ETH can especially arrive at a very most extreme value level of $2,335.71, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is gauged to fundamentally be at around an especially least worth of $1,737.18 in an especially significant manner. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $1,974.90, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $1,996.84, which generally is very critical. ETH value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum is determined to be at around an extremely least worth of $1,945.35, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,150.77, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely critical. ETH value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum basically is estimated to by and large be at around an especially least worth of $2,004.37, which especially is very critical. The Ethereum value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $2,252.61, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, in a truly significant way. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is explicitly anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at an extremely normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $2,335.71 and an essentially least of $2,048.41. Exhibiting that while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $1,996.84. Ethereum pretty past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 1.6% in its genuinely current worth, showing that will ETH cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking essentially high in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, truly further appearance how besides ETH can truly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $2,335.71 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum is confronting an exceptionally tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which is genuinely huge. The ETH generally is down to nearly 5.54% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which fundamentally shows that ETH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum essentially is estimated to truly be at around an extremely least worth of $2,004.37. Or so they explicitly thought. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for extremely past for the most part couple of days. The coin could basically have soared areas of strength at the same time. We don't really believe that it would a productive resource in all things considered, present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH generally diminished by 17.987%, taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $339.68 from its fundamentally current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a fundamentally decent basically purchase a potential open door for the most part speedy speculation. Demonstrating the way that the Ethereum value worth can explicitly arrive at a very limit of $2,252.61, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 1.13%, and the cost commonly circled from a base sort of typical cost of $1,539.51 to kind of greatest exceptionally normal cost of $1,647.19 in the by and large beyond 90 days, so this unexpected down by and large implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time. Implying that it can for the most part be in every way that really matters, great for the most part purchase an open door for extremely fast venture, demonstrating the way that the Ethereum value worth can arrive at an exceptionally limit of $2,252.61 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. In genuinely most recent 4 months Ethereum for the most part has shown a developing pattern, which generally is very huge. Consequently, we especially imagine that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period, showing that assuming you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023. What will Ethereum generally be somewhat worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum in every practical sense is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin especially is up by 14.76%, with the genuinely greatest kind of typical cost of the coin was around $1,207.02,